Hey guys, Saving with Shay, and I am going to Walmart for another awesome video this week. Listen, I have a weekend, and for mine, I need 15 rebates for $5. I also have the red carpet, and for that, I need 48 rebates for $10. And y'all, if I hit it, I hit it, and if I don't, I don't. I'm not stressing it, but a lot of times I kind of go in saying I don't know if I'm gonna do it. I don't know, and then I end up doing it. So if I do, I do, and if I don't, I don't. All right. But if you're new here and this is your first time seeing this lovely face, go ahead and take a second to subscribe. Also, make sure that you smash the like button and support your girl. And don't forget to ring that notification bell so you never miss out on that video. Because, yeah, you don't ring the bell, you're not subscribed, you're missing out. But this should be pretty easy. I'm hoping that I can get everything that I need today. And so as far as tracking, everything seems to still be tracking as far as the resets, but I think the whole idea of resets not counting is just straight dumb. Like, if you don't want the resets to count, why even offer the resets? Like, I don't get it. It's like, but it is what it is, y'all. Yeah, you watched my video talking about it. You know how I feel about it. If it's a great deal, your girl's gonna do it anyways, regardless if it counts towards a bonus or not. All right. I'll have a Google Doc for you guys to follow along that way. And other than that, you guys, let's head over to Walmart and see what awesome deals we can grab this week. So the first deal that I'm gonna grab is on the Nissan Firewalk noodles. I have gotten these a couple times. I've eaten them both and I really like them. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab this again. They're priced at $154. You'll get back 75 cents on Ibotta, making them only 79 cents. All right, this next deal is on the Proper Good soups. These are priced at $5.98. I know y'all probably sick of hearing about this deal, but I know that some of y'all don't watch all the videos and don't see all the deals, and so I have to keep sharing it as long as it's still valid. So it's on the Proper Good soups. We're gonna grab one. They're priced at $5.98. You're gonna submit your receipt through the text. I'll have a link for you in the description. I'm making it absolutely free. There's also a rebate on Ibotta, getting you back $1, making this $1 moneymaker. Now you can also grab the oatmeal as well, which is priced at $5.48. Again, you'll get that back through aisles, and then you'll also get back $1 on Ibotta, making it $1 moneymaker as well. It's really quick. I wanted to give you guys an update on the catalog reward thing that I talked about in, I want to say maybe 2 videos ago for Walmart, where I got the Eggo waffles. I wanted to kind of mention this deal really quick. So it was basically you get a $5 back when you purchase any catalog product that qualifies. They have a list that you can check, and the cheapest item that they had was the Eggo waffles at $2.82. So I grabbed one. It took 2 or 3 days for them to approve my receipt, and then from then I had to choose whether I wanted a $5 coupon or a digital one. I went ahead and went with the digital one, and it just got approved like 2 days ago. I think it takes like 5 days. And so only thing is that when you get the email like this, you have to choose a retailer, and Walmart is not on here. So that's the only thing I think that kind of like sucks, that Walmart's not on here. I don't know if a lot of stores will scan it from your phone. I know Food for Less is on here. I might try Food for Less. CVS is on here as well. I could probably try CVS. But I haven't chose a store yet because I don't know which store that I'll be able to actually have them scan a coupon from my phone, which I don't know, y'all. So I'm just kind of giving you a warning on that. If you're going to do it, I would say just go ahead and choose the actual coupon. And so yeah, there's that. So my next deal is going to be on the Weathers Originals. They are priced at $2.58. And so we're gonna go ahead and grab a total of 2 of them. We'll end up paying $5.16 out of pocket, but we're gonna get back $3 on Swagbucks, My Points, Inbox, Artada. We're also gonna be getting back $1.62 for each one on Checkout 51, which is gonna make these both free plus $1.08 moneymaker. Now I'm gonna go ahead and go big or go home, right? I'm gonna grab 4 of them. I ended up paying $10.32, getting back 6 on Swagbucks, and then getting back $6.48 on Checkout 51, making this a $2.16 moneymaker. Here is a freebie on the Gatsby. It's been a while since we've gotten this for free, right? So there is an aisles offer for it, making it absolutely free. These are priced at $3.88. I would say keep your eyes peeled because we normally get this also on Ibotta, and I've also seen it on Shopkick as well. And so I'll have a link for you guys in the description. This next deal is on the Starry. It's priced at $3.48, and for this, we have a rebate on Ibotta for buy one get one free. So you're gonna grab 2 of them. You'll end up paying $6.96, but then you're gonna get back $3.48 on Ibotta, making it $3.48 for 2 6-packs. Are only 29 cents per bottle. Just a reminder that the 2 liters are working for the rebate on Shopkick. So they're priced at $2.68. So you're gonna grab 1 of them. You'll be getting back 750 kicks on Shopkick, which is $3, making it a 32-cent moneymaker. Now there's one for the diet and sugar, and then there's also one on the regular as well. So I've been grabbing 1 diet and 1 regular, and it has been going through for me. And so yeah. Alright guys, my next deal is on the Dawn Power Wash. It's priced at $3.94 for the refills. Now I did this deal in my last Walmart video. You'll grab 2 of them, you'll get back $3.99 on Ibotta. It makes them $1.94 each, but this time I'm gonna go ahead and grab the Gain down here. The Power Blast refill was priced at $3.44. You're gonna grab 2 of them. You will end up paying $6.88 out of pocket and getting back $3.99 on Ibotta. So it'll end up making it them $1.44 each. And this one, this offer on Ibotta has reset for me twice already. Next deal is on the Snuggle sheets. This is the 40 counts. They are priced at $1.97. We're using this $1.50 coupon from our inserts, bringing that down to only 47 cents. Next deal is on the Snuggles Exhilarations. They are priced at $4.77 for this. I'm gonna go ahead and grab 2 of them. I'll be using 2 of these toilet coupons right here from our inserts. That'll bring your total down to you paying $5.54 out of pocket, but then you're gonna get back $1.50 for buying 2 on Fetchable. You'll also get back $2 on Ibotta as well, making them only $1.02 each. So this deal here is on the Purcell. It's priced at $5.97, but who remembers when this was like $4.94? But yeah, now it's $5.97. So we're gonna grab 1 of those. We'll get back $2 on Ibotta. There's also $2 on coupons.com as well as $2 on Alexa, making that 3-cent moneymaker. Next deal is on the Awe. It's priced at $3.74. We're gonna use this $1.50 coupon right here. I want to say it was in the save $2.19. That's gonna bring your total down to you paying $2.25, getting back $1 on Ibotta, making it $1.24 each. All right, guys, this deal is back. It's on the Curad wrap. It's priced at $1.97. And yes, they locked this stuff up, because a lot of y'all be like, they locked that up. They locked that up. And so we're grabbing 1 at $1.97. You're gonna get back 565 kicks on Shopkick, which is $2.26. It makes it a 29-cent moneymaker. That's how I never come over here. I never come over here. I must have swept around this corner. Look what I found. Look what I found. Look, I found these. I saw these on Brixie last night when I was looking, and I was like, I ain't gonna find them, and I found them, and they have 2. So the universe was like, Chanel, boo girl, we got you. So listen, they're on clearance for $2. There's that Fancy Mancy UPC, and it is working for this rebate on Ibotta. So I'm gonna grab both of them for $4 and get back $3.30. So it'll make it what, like 70 cents or 35 cents each, which is a steal. So yeah, your girl's not to her cart. And so yeah, I actually came over here looking for to see how much these were. They're $4.67. I was hoping they'd be cheaper than that. There's a rebate on Swagbucks. My point inbox sent it off for 600 Swagbucks, which is $6, which would make these $167 each, which is not really bad. But I'm hoping that Swagbucks will surprise us and up the point. So I'm gonna wait and see if it goes up. And so hopefully it does, because I mean, but even at $167, I think it's a pretty good deal, especially if it's something that you're gonna buy anyways. And so, yeah. My next deal is going to be on the Axe deodorant. It's on the stick. This is a newer line. It's priced at $5.97. I'm going to grab one of those. I'll be using this dollar printable for my coupon fairy, bringing that down to paying $4.97 out of pocket. But I'll get back $3 on Ibotta, another $2.50 on Fetch Reward, and then I'll get back 500 kicks on Shopkick for just $2. I'm making this a $2.53 money maker. So it's going to be on the Dove. The men care is priced at $6.97. You're going to grab one of those. And you're gonna shoot down here and you're gonna grab one of the women's, price at $6.97. You can use this buy one get one free coupon right there. You'll end up paying $6.97 but getting back $3 for the Dove women on Ibotta. It'll make it $3.97 for both of them, or $1.98 each. So my next deal is on the Poise pads. These are priced at $5.46. I literally just sold all of these last week on OfferUp. It's priced at $5.46. You're gonna grab one of them. You'll be getting back $3 on Ibotta and then $1.50 on coupons.com. My next deal is on the Skintimate shave gel. It's priced at $3.37. You're gonna grab one of them. You get back $1.50 on Ibotta, and you'll also get back $1 on ShopMium. Coupons.com, Alexa, making this only 87 cents. This next deal is on the L'Oreal mascara. I was checking online last night to see if I could find any that were cheaper online that do say shipped and sold by Walmart, and I found this one here, which is Carbon Black number 395. There is that UPC right there. Okay, that one is $4.65. So I'm gonna grab this one. I'll be using the $2.50 off coupon right there. It's in the Save 305, which will bring the total down to you paying $2.15 out of pocket and getting back $2 on Ibotta. So it'll make it only 15 cents. Limit is 2, so I'm gonna go ahead and see if I can price match both of them. Alright, so I've been checking here, looking for clearance. This is the store that doesn't really want to get rid of stuff. They're like, we want to, but then we don't want to. And so, but anyways, listen, so I found these up here, the L'Oreal True Matches. They are on clearance for $4.29. I'm gonna use this $2 coupon right here for my inserts. I think we just got this one too. And then $2 back on Ibotta, making them only 29 cents each with a limit of 2. So I'm at Target. I feel like I haven't been in Target forever. But look, they have the core bars here. And there's one for each of them on Ibotta. So I'm gonna grab 2 of the blueberry ones. They're $2.29. And there's a 10% off cartwheel as well, which will take off like 45 cents when you buy 2. And then there's one for the peanut butter chocolate as well. I have to grab 2. And then the birthday cake one, again, I have to buy 2. And then we're getting back $2 for every set. And now I am doing these on separate transactions for aisles. And I'll get back $2 or $2.29 minus 10%, I guess. But once I get back that and then I bought it, it'll basically make them all free. And then there's also one for the chocolate chip as well, $7.99, and then you'll get back $7.99 Ibotta, and then I'll also submit that one for aisles as well, for $3 back. So it'll make that a $3 moneymaker. But at the end of the day, they'll all be free plus a moneymaker. So definitely gonna grab them. I already have them all right here, and so yeah, we're gonna grab these and we're gonna get out of here. So yeah, see you guys at home for the final breakdown. Guys, so here is my complete haul for you guys for today. I forgot to mention the Digestive Advantage. It'll be in the Google Doc, but basically it was $12.98, $5 back on, I think, ShopMium, $3 back on Ibotta, $4.20 I think on Shopkick, and then I had a survey on Brand Club for $1.50. So it made that a pretty good deal. Oh, for the Dove men and women, there are rebates on Shopkick for that. I want to say the men's is 350 kicks and the women is 200 kicks. So it makes that a little cheaper. Other than that, you guys, I think that's basically it for this haul. And so everything that you see here retails $175.16. I had $45, $47 in coupons, which brought the out of pocket down to $129.69. And then I think I got something back for almost all of the apps today, y'all. We got back $56.01 from Ibotta, $19.87 from Aisles, $26.32 from Shopkick, $6 from Swagbucks, $6.48 from Checkout 51, $2 from Alexa, $1.50 from Fetch, $6 from ShopMium, $1.50 from Brand Club, and $2 from coupons.com. So we got back a total of $127.68. This was $9.13 in sales tax, you guys. And so after all of our rebates back, it nets everything at $2.01. Now, I know there's a few things here I obviously could have did without, and it would have made it free, but I figured, hey, why not? I kind of wanted to low-key get everything that I got. So it was a net of $2.01, or 3 cents each, which is practically free, right? And even after tax, it still nets things at 18 cents each, which again is still not a bad deal. Other than that, oh, really, really quick, because a lot of you guys have been asking. As far as Shopkick, with Shopkick, I do the deal every time it resets. I'm not doing multiples of the same item on one receipt and submitting it every day. You can only submit your receipt one time. When you try to scan your receipt the second time, it's gonna give you some kind of error, all right? Which I hate that they changed it. It used to be with Shopkick where if you missed an item, you could rescan it and scan for that item that you missed. But they changed it some time ago where the system doesn't allow you to rescan your receipt. You have to put a ticket in. So, but whenever you see me doing Shopkick deals multiple times, I am doing it multiple times, multiple days. I have 2 accounts, my account and Joseph's account. So yeah, just wanted to kind of clear that up for you guys. Other than that, hope you guys are having an awesome day. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you got this far in the video, ooh, let's see. I want to see a cookie. I want to see a cookie emoji if you got this far into the video. And I will see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.